Hello fellow doll lovers, Barbie Nation here. Welcome back to my channel. Hello everyone, thank you so much for tuning into another video with me today. My name is Aryan, aka Barbie Nation, and what I do is I collect dolls, I play with dolls, I talk about dolls, and every now and then I give them a super cute makeover. So if you're into anything cute, sweet, and petite, definitely subscribe to my channel to get some lovely pastel glitters on your feed. Now let's get into today's video. Here we go.
Foam and Color Barbie. We're gonna foam your hair with play shampoo till it turns so pink like we want it to. Foam and Color Barbie. Foam and Color Barbie. Love to color your hair. We're gonna foam on yellow, streak of blue, rainbow hair. Blue, ooh.
Let's do it again.
Foam and Color Barbie. Foam and Color Barbie. Love to color and style your hair.
You can color foam and color Barbie doll's hair pink to match her dress. Blue and yellow foam sold separately.
So welcome back to another fun video, and today we are again doing the thing I love doing the most, which is restoring thrifted Barbie dolls. And today we have the 90s Shampoo Magic or Foam and Color Barbie. So I think in the US she was called Foam and Color, but here in Europe she was called Shampoo Magic. And she is from the magical year of 1995. And she actually came in a blue version, yellow version, and a pink version. And I have her here pretty in her box. But of course I also have her thrifted, as you can see in the back. So as you can see, here she is. She's been through it, and especially her hair. But I think we can make this work. So we're definitely gonna give her that silky, nice neckline straight hair that she has. And for a minute there, I was kind of doubting if she even was Shampoo Magic. But looking at the earrings, she's definitely Shampoo Magic. And as you can see, she thankfully didn't get like a haircut or anything. But I do think that she was pretty combed through in her days of play. And Shampoo Magic Foam and Color, I mean, this was my absolute fave in the 90s. I loved that she came in 3 colors, and I actually have them all 3 pretty in their boxes, and I'm just so happy I got them all. Even the commercial, I can remember the commercial. That was just so fun. Just seeing all of that magic, colorful shampoo on her hair, seeing all of these hairstyles you know you could never recreate, but you still tried it anyway. That was always like the magic in these 90s commercials, where you saw all these amazing hairstyles and you really believed that, you know, I can do that too. But once you started, it was like, yeah, expectation versus reality. But, you know, now we're adults. We can really try to, you know, live up to those hairstyles that they did in those magical 90s commercials. The thing is with this 90s neckline hair is that you really want to try to preserve the hair, because if you're gonna start combing this, especially when it's wet, you will see that it sheds like crazy. So what you're definitely gonna want to do is first kind of like brush it through with a pet brush while it's still dry, and then do the shampoo afterwards. So just a tip from me here. So of course we're going to give her a super cute 90s look, glam up her hair, and give her totally the satisfaction of a glow up today. So let's just not waste any more time, and let's head off to the salon and give this Shampoo Magic girl the Barbie Nation makeover she definitely deserves. Here we go. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. I just love the way this girl turned out. I mean, I amazed myself. So I had this kind of, what do you call this? A dungaree from the Perfect Pink. What was that line called? Because every girl had like a different name. The one was called Panic Purple, Extreme Green, something something blue, which was Barbie, and Teresa had the pink version. Anyway, so I paired it with a slumber party top, which actually created a super cute top underneath this dungaree, because it's, you know, it's so well fitting, and this shirt is of course super sized. It's oversized because it's a slumber party shirt. But you know, tailoring it with this waist fitting dungaree was just, it's perfect. Her perfect restored hair. Yeah, it is so satisfying. I am again obsessed, and it's so fun to see these 90s girls getting their glam back, getting their cuteness on, being all back into their full Dolly Barbie glam. Yeah, super cute. And the Shampoo Magic or Foam and Color girls, they are just the perfect models for any kind of fashion. Oh, and also another fun, cute thing, the ring actually that I put on her because she was missing her ring. I had a load of Hollywood hair Barbie earrings, and I actually used an earring, cut off a tiny piece of it, and used it as a ring, which is a gold star. That's really, I love that too. So let me know down in the comments below, of course, what you think of this final look. Do you love the Shampoo Magic Foam and Color girls as well? What do you think of the hair? Are you also obsessed with this silky straight 90s Kanekalon hair? I wish you all a lovely and magical day, of course. Let's continue the conversation down in the comments below, and I will see you all in my next video. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you all so much for watching. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and of course, click the bell icon next to the subscribe button to get notified about any new videos that I upload. You can also follow me on Instagram at Barbie Nation. That's usually where I post all of my updates. So until the next video, mwah, big kisses from me, and I love you all.